Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Microsoft account password, complete guide step. To reset your Microsoft account password, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft account sign-in page. Once there, look for the Forgot Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. You will be redirected to a page asking for your Microsoft account email address. Enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Select your preferred method of receiving a security code, such as email or SMS. If you choose email, check your inbox for a message from Microsoft. If you select SMS, ensure you have access to the phone number linked to your account. Once you receive the security code, enter it into the provided field. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Type your new password in the designated field and confirm it in the next field. After confirming your new password, click on Next. You will see a confirmation that your password has been reset successfully. You can now use your new password to sign in to your Microsoft account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.